Well, hey guys, now I'm at Unihertz booth, MWC2026 Spain, so now I'm hands on something.
Are you going to show the...
Yeah, I'm finding the photo
Unihertz
for
Titan2 Elite is follow-up to the last year's Titan2 and is making serious play for the
Hunter's dream.
BlackBerry.
Oh, I think I have seen this. I have seen this.
Yeah.
Hands-on.
It's made by you.
It's time for the
Well,
Titan
mine design.
Okay.
Titan2 Elite, they have two
Because
colors.
But
This
this
is
got
my-
lots of attention
This
back.
is my hero
They
product.
have
Yeah, I
black
know this.
color.
Yes, I know
You
this.
can see.
But he's never built it. I was always bugging him. And
Yeah.
but then we built the operating system. So we have the. That's what I wanted to ask you too. Would you ever do anything without Android, or like do a no, always Android?
Yeah, but
you-
Google Android.
Yeah.
But this is also an AOSP. Yeah?
Oh, I know. We never done this.
No.
Yeah. We always make Google Android with Google certifications.
You should consider.
Yeah, we can, but frankly, we don't have enough resource currently.
But do you have do you have any enterprise people or only consumers buying your phone?
Mainly consumers. We have some distributors and some customer asking for customizations, but still based on our existing models.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which MediaTek?
Yeah, MediaTek. Yeah.
Which one?
Sorry?
Which is it?
This
Yeah.
7400.
Yeah, so Dimensity.
Yeah, Dimensity. Yes.
Accurate.
So I heard the communicator is using 83 series, right?
Yeah, 88. Well, yeah, 83 series or 88, 88883.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How's it going now?
Good. Yeah, sales been good. Everything's kind of on
I
track.
know sales good.
Yeah,
So
we're
it's-
very good at marketing and getting attention.
yeah. We have to admit that. Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna say I want a commission because you guys get extra attention thanks to my attention.
That's why he comes now. I want to ask Steve for some commission.
Save some money. Yeah, things are good. I think it's what's fun is I mean, you know how long things take from
Yeah.
ideas and like.
Yeah.
I've been wanting a phone since he showed me his years back, and we've been building towards that. But the roadmap of what you do, you got to think about long term, right? And I think for us, it's starting to make sense the direction we keep building. Like I like the communicator brand a lot, and I think the positioning is really, really smart. And then the question is, what do you do with that over 3 years or 4 years? You know, because it's keyboard is one thing, but is it the only thing? I'm like, I don't know. You know, where is communication going? But if you think about almost like business users, you know, I feel like that's who we have a good ability to talk to, and the team we built, and the team, where we invest. So I think that's right. I like to think about the brand going more and more. But and good interest, good interest from. But what I don't know, which is tricky, is like who do you say yes and no to? Because everybody, you want to take meetings with everybody, but I think it's dangerous to say yes to everybody, right? To your point, you don't have the resources to do everything. So
True.
you kind of need to know which doors to actually open, which ones to walk through, and which ones to like, say thanks, but not ready right now.
Opportunity. 5 years of security patch, extending support until 2031.
How's the cost on your exhibit here? We have a meeting room, and the cost, I was like, oh my god, it's too expensive. It's insane what they charge for these places.
It's fun. We have been here several times. So it's okay. I
But
think.
you also get some support from China still?
Sorry?
Do you get some support from China?
Confirmed.
For, I mean, I remember...
Yeah, but no, we don't have it.
No, but before it was...
The government support mainly focusing on Shenzhen, but we came from Shanghai. So, and we booked this booth with Hong Kong.
Oh, okay.
We pay directly in US dollars. That's why we cannot get any refund from the government.
Got it.
Much cleaner and it's also feels
Are you,
creamy this time, so do you like the white from yours? Tattoo, light, big comment on your thoughts. If you like it, check the comments. Start. Bye.